Australian cotton growers will need to get accustomed to these cylindrical shaped modules which are poised to reduce in-paddock labour requirements, courtesy of a new breed of on-board module building cotton pickers like this pre-production John Deere 7760 unit. With its ability to either drop modules on the go in paddocks or position them at a headland when making a turn, at a stroke it obviates the need to have a fleet of bowl buggies and stationary module builders associated with conventional picking systems. In the aftermath of a dwindling farm labour pool, these new machines will revolutionise cotton picking operations around the world. Having said that, there's focus on the handling systems needed to shift these bumper packages to cotton gins. In the meantime, at Moree in New South Wales, the driver of one of Deere's newcomers was talking up the easy-to-drive aspect of the 7760 picker, which comes with a row sensing system plus cameras that oversee the onboard wrapping process, leaving these flagships of today's cotton paddocks to cruise their way along with a minimal fuss, leaving cleanly picked crops in their wake.